Hi, this week is revision week, so you'll be doing all three lessons working on this one document. So don't forget to mark today's attendance. You obviously went to the forum, and in Google Drive you'll find the document Chapter 3 revision questions. So if I open that up, it will look something like this. So what we ask you to do, or what we recommend you do, is you turn to that page, do some reading, and hopefully during the course of that reading, you'll come across a statement or a sentence that refers to what reactants are and what are products and so forth. So you've got your page and the question, and try and practice writing your answers in your own words. Preferably dot point. Um, remember, this is science, not English. So just work your way through today. We've got the two periods. And also, I'll have you working on this on Friday. And so just pace yourself. Maybe do the first 21 questions and then finish off the rest. Maybe not. Maybe do a little bit more than 21 questions. But just pace yourself so that you've finished this week. Of course, you save it back to your Google Drive. And we'll post you the solutions next week for you to check. Um, Next week we'll just get you ready for when you come back, where you'll be doing a practice doing the doubles, and of course we'll have the test to finish off this chapter, this topic, and we'll start one new topic before we go on holidays. Wow, hey, looking forward to that too. All right, so have a good double period. And don't forget, you've got all of this week to work on that document. Cheers.